were our facility winner of the Frist Humanitarian Award for physicians. You've been selected as the sole winner of the 2022.
Dr. Nchekwube decided very early on in his life that he wanted to do good for others.
He was one of the first people I met coming to the organization, and you can just feel his warmth, his energy.
When I came here some 43 years ago, there was a history of neurosurgeons not wanting to stick around here because this place was economically depressed. I said to myself, if I left, I have nobody else to take care of these people. And that's not good enough. So I stayed.
I've heard just incredible stories over the years of all the people he's impacted their lives, their family members, former patients.
People come to us at the worst moment in their lives. Something bad, terribly bad happened to them. And we address the medical aspect of it. But every once in a while, you look somebody in the eye and say, why are you so sad? And on one occasion, I got an answer that kind of shook me up.
My understanding of the story as he's explained it to me is that it was a patient he was serving, and the patient essentially wasn't going to survive and was not in the position to take care of their young children.
So when I asked the question, why are you so sad? She told me. I said, well, what can I do to help? And she said, well, can you get my kids some lunch? It was a very strange request to ask of a brain surgeon. I said, sure. Where do you live? And she told me. So I said to myself, well, we've taken care of today. What happens tomorrow? And the day after, and the day after. So on my way home, I called my wife. I said, I think we're going to adopt 2 young Indian kids. And she said, bring them on. And so we adopted them. There's an old saying in neuroscience, it's as much an act not to act as it is to act. I chose to act, and the result was wonderful.
He's always enterprising and thinking of ways in which he can help and support people. And not only has he done that in the operating room and on the floors of this hospital, he's also successfully gotten multiple patents, and these are things that support developing countries.
He's in class in himself. What he has, nobody else has.
To have him nominated and to win an award like this, it's reassuring for all of us that people do recognize the good that you do.